Hello, parents and students. My name is Taylor Anderson, and I teach 6th grade math here at Woodgate Intermediate, soon to be Chapel Park Elementary. Just a little bit about myself. This is going to be my 9th year teaching math. Lived in Dallas for a little while and with my family, and then decided to move back here about 3 years ago. I've taught math ever since. I absolutely love it. I have 3 kids, 2 are at South Bosque, and then I have one that's still in pre-K, so definitely super busy. Let's see, fun fact about me, if I weren't a teacher, I would be a professional soccer player because I love soccer, I'm obsessed with soccer. Your kids probably already know this by now. Just because I've talked about it a lot, and I've even seen a few of them at some soccer games, especially the Baylor soccer games. And that's where I graduated from. Actually, another fun fact about me is that I grew up here in Waco and actually went to Midway and graduated from Midway. So kind of crazy, full circle moment. I actually went to Woodgate Intermediate when it used to be Midway Intermediate. But the most important thing that students need to know in order to be successful in my classroom is just to make sure that they work hard. Obviously, this is math. It's going to be challenging at times. They're going to get frustrated at times, but the most important thing to me is that they are putting forth the effort and just really trying. Even if they mess up, like I want them to know it's okay if they mess up, because that's why I'm here, is to help them figure out those mistakes and then learn from them and not just get super frustrated and give up. So that's the biggest thing for me. The best way that you can reach me for sure is by email. I'm pretty good at checking my email throughout the day. I may not get right back to you, but for sure by the end of the day, I will do my best just because it's super crazy busy throughout the day. But that's the best way to reach me. Of course, you can call my extension, which is on my email as well. I also wanted to talk to you about my conference period. My conference period is actually 6th period, which is from, let's see, I need to look because I don't have it memorized. About 1:50 to 2:45, that's my conference period. The only days that I'll be available during that time are Wednesday through Friday because we plan and meet on Monday and Tuesday. Another thing, a very exciting thing that I want to talk to you about is I actually have a Baylor intern, which is awesome. So we're getting to co-teach together and she's getting to learn and get to know the kids, and they're getting to know her. It's super fun. We have a great time. She's amazing. Her name is Katie Carlson. So your kids probably have talked about her already. She's in the classroom every single day except Fridays, and we're gonna just be working together with your children, and we are so excited, not only to help them through math, but just to get to know them as individuals and build relationships with them. Now, as you can see, my room is a disaster, and that's because it's so gross right now and empty and blah. But we are moving this weekend, over to the 5th grade side. So I'm apologizing in advance for my new room will look a lot nicer than this, but we're in the process of moving. So just try and ignore what's going on in the background. But long story short, I'm super excited for this year, especially when we get moved over, have a new change of scenery. I mean, I'm so excited to get to know your child and to help them be successful in math. And please feel free to reach out to me at any point in time with questions, concerns, anything like that, or Mrs. Carlson as well. But I'm looking forward to a great year, and I hope y'all are as well.